Hello, welcome to My English Coach Dave. I'm Dave. Today you will learn how to speak more naturally and fluently when speaking English. I know that many English speakers speak too quickly, so today you will learn how to speak like a native, speak quickly, and I think it will help you to understand others better as well. Okay, before we start, please download the PDF. That is really important. Okay, that will help you. And also, in the lesson, you will see these letters and words that don't look like English. Well, this is called the IPA, and you can highlight it in your PDF. So copy like this, copy, and go to the website, IPA Reader. There is a link in your PDF. It will help you practice the sound. So here we paste, and then we can listen.
You're doing.
You're doing. You're doing. All right, let's get back to the main video then. Okay, here is a simple conversation in English. Maybe when you speak or read, you speak like this. What are you doing this weekend? But native English speakers speak a lot faster. For example, what are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Hey, what are you doing this weekend? And at the end of this video, you will be able to speak like that. All right, are we ready? Come on then, let's go. So here, what are can be water. Water. That is a little bit American. Water, water. But many people in the UK also say water, water. Another one is water, 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 water. It's connected. Water, water. Please repeat. Water, 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 water. There are more like water, but I don't think you need to learn that. So let's try with water, water. You doing is you doing, you doing, you doing. Let's try the whole sentence. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing this weekend? Next one, I'm not is I'm not, I'm not, I'm not. Might just, might just, might just, might just, might just. Okay. What about? What about? What about? What about? Okay, let's try everything here. I'm not sure. I might just stay at home. What about you? I'm not sure. I might just stay at home. What about you? Now slowly. I'm not sure. I might just stay at home. What about you? Great. Well done. Let's keep going. So don't know is don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Sometimes we say dunno. Dunno. I think that is American, but many people say it in England, Canada, Australia. Even I say it sometimes, dunno, dunno. I was, I was, I was, I was about going to. 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 Let's try everything together. I don't know yet. I was thinking about going to the park. Oh, also here, to the park is to the park. To the park. To the park. To the park. So, I don't know yet. I was thinking about going to the park. I don't know yet. I was thinking about going to the park. Okay, good. Next one. Do you can be je, or due, due, due. Due is more formal, a little bit more posh. So je. Let's just try je here. Do you want to? Do you want to? Je. And due. Do you want to? Do you want to? As you can see, want to is want to or want to. You can say want to grab. Or want to grab as well, want to grab. Grab a becomes grabber, grabber, grabber. Before you, before you, before you, before you. Let's try this again. So let's do due. Due. Want to. Want to. Or want to. Want to. Grabber. Grabber. Before you. Before you. Let's practice everything. That sounds nice. Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? That sounds nice. Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? That sounds nice. Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Let's try faster. Ready? Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Maybe that's too fast, but keep practicing. Next. That'd be. What does the D mean here? Yeah, it means would. That would be. For example, that would be nice. That would be good. That would be great. So we say that'd be. That'd be here. That'd be. That'd be great. That'd be nice. That'd be good. Now sometimes, especially where I come from, people say that be. For example, that'd be good. That'd be great. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. But let's use this one. That'd be. That'd be. Okay. When are you is when are you? 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 When are you free? When are you free? Let's try everything. Sure, that'd be great. When are you free? Sure, that'd be great. When are you free? Sure, that'd be great. When are you free? Okay. Next. How about? How about? How about? We could is we could. We could. We could. We could. Meet at is meet at. Meet at. You see the T is connected here. Tat. Meet at. Meet at. Let's try again. How about? How about? We could. We could. We could. Meet at. Meet at. Meet at. Let's try everything. How about Saturday morning? We could meet at 10. How about Saturday morning? We could meet at 10. We could meet at 10. Now, yeah, meet at 10. Okay, we could meet at 10. Practice that a lot. We could meet at 10. Meet at 10. All right, next one. Let me is let me. Let me. Let me. In America, they say lemme. Lemme. Sometimes I say lemme too. If anything changes. If anything changes. If anything changes. If anything changes. Okay, let's practice. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. Let me know if anything changes. One more time. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. Let's try the American style. Let me know. Let me know. You try. Let me know. Let me know if anything changes. Last time, American. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. Okay, here is the whole conversation. Let's practice it together. First, slowly but connected. For example, what are you doing? Can you hear? I'm connecting. What are you doing? All right, ready? Repeat after me. What are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure. I might just stay at home. What about you? I don't know yet. I was thinking about going to the park. That sounds nice. Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Sure, that'd be great. When are you free? How about Saturday morning? We could meet at 10. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. All right, one more time, a little bit faster. Are you ready? What are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure. I might just stay at home. What about you? I don't know yet. I was thinking about going to the park. That sounds nice. Do you want to grab a coffee before you go? Sure, that'd be great. When are you free? How about Saturday morning? We could meet at 10. Sounds perfect. Let me know if anything changes. All right, well done. Please practice the conversation many times. See how fast you can be. And you have a little bit of homework today. Your homework is to find a song in English. Learn the lyrics and sing along to the song, because singing in English will help you connect the sounds and sound more fluent. Let me know which song you choose. I'm really interested to know. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.